Hi friends and Tashidele, I'm Tenzin and I'm Tibetan. We are going to cook momo, a Tibetan dish that is loved by all people living around the Himalayas. You can easily find it around the street food or at the restaurants. This dish takes quite a long time to prepare, that's why it is done for festivals or for birthdays, as there are more people at home to help. So momo can be made with any ingredients, meat or with whatever vegetable you may like. For today, let's cook it with some veggies. We need potatoes, fresh spinaches, sesame oil, vegetable broth, all-purpose flour and salt. You have to prepare the dough about 30 minutes before so that it rests. Continue kneading to a firm dough and keep it aside. Let's start with our stuffing. And for this, we need to boil the potatoes and spinaches. Once they are cooked, we can add them in a bowl and mash the potatoes. Add the spinaches, put some drop of sesame oil, mix them well and add some salt to taste. And then you can add a cube of vegetable broth, mix them well again. The momos goes very well with tomato chutney. To make this sauce, first we will boil our tomatoes, remove the skins and add it in a grinder with few drops of chili powder, some sesame seeds, fresh mint, a clove of garlic, salt and just grind them. You can add some more sesame seeds if you want. Let's make our momo. Take a small piece of dough and roll it into a ball. Then make a circle, add some stuffing in it and make sure that you glue well the edges. While our momo will be steaming for 20 minutes, to add more flavor in our chutney, place the grinded sauce in a bowl and heat some oil in a pan. When the oil will be sizzling, you can add them in our chutney. Now that everything is ready, let's prepare our plate. So I'm adding some chutney, some fresh spinaches. After 20 minutes, our momo has cooked very well and looks delicious. Voila, our plate is ready. We hope you will enjoy it with your friends and families. You can of course avoid any ingredients if you don't want to or add something else that you like. At the beginning, it might be complicated, but keep on practicing. Thank you!